Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And Mr. Mayor is here. Yeah. So, we are going to talk about Gully Bop and thing. You understand? So, first of all, we are big up Auntie Dana to highlight Gully Bop. You understand that he can get some help. And big up the pastor. You understand? We bring Gully Bop to 99, where Auntie Dana can highlight Gully Bop that he can get some help. You understand? The pastor don't have the money to help Gully Bop all out. You understand? Pastor just a try him thing and thing like that. He's not like a big brand pastor where you sit on the internet where you make money and thing like that. You understand? Every man start them thing from small. You understand? Entertainer start small so till them grow. The pastor business start from small until them grow. You understand? So big up Auntie Dana, greetings Auntie Dana. And me I tell you all about the story what you gonna give. You understand? And what the people talking about. The part that touch me is Amari. Yeah. Amari, she speak out and said, "You might help Gully Bop." That is real love. May I tell you. Yeah, man. That a real love. May I tell you, it touch my heart, man. You understand? Cause I was like searching the internet to listen where she a go say. You understand? You see when time you rise and up there with some money, you have to see everybody coming up. May I tell you, But a one and few in the lot will want to see you uprising. Most of the people that will come have to tear you down. You understand? And Jamaican have a style like that. Jamaican entertainer have a style like that. Anytime one of them was be a man back of them. You understand? Every man stop work and follow the entertainer. And the entertainer them not know say all of them and the back of them have to tear them down. You don't need so many men behind you. You understand? Why Jamaican entertainer them need so many men behind them? If you have a 1 and 2 soldier and so forth for your bodyguard and so that different. But a one entertainer in a Jamaica will 50 man. You understand? And the 50 man have to tear them down and them don't know. You understand what I mean? If I come up here in a Jamaica as an entertainer and I can have 50 man where if follow back on me then, me go get some farm and so and build up some factory or something like that and make money go work. You don't need so many people behind you. You understand? The amount of man of follow entertainer in a Jamaica and I think with the president in the United States, so much man no follow. You understand? And most of the man where they behind the man, them a bad mind. You understand what I mean? It's just a tear down and nothing if you uplift. You understand? That's one of the things we catch Gully Bop. Can never have the sense and the knowledge. If you know say you don't need so many people. Cause if you did need them people there, let me tell you Gully Bop, when you did need them people there. And when you did down in the gully and nothing now go on for you. If all of them people that did come and carry a 20 or a 30 or a 40 or $100 come give you, when you did down there where nothing now go on for you. That's the time you did need them. So the time when you did up there now wanna make some money. Right now, let me tell you, a person where you did need a Amari, I tell you, you never did need nobody else but an Amari. You understand? Because him is the one where I speak love and I talk love and I go try to do things to help you to uplift your back from out of the gully. You understand? So I pray that God will make Amari help you and uplift your back in the gully, out of the gully, and make you come back in your right mind. You understand what I mean? And you just stick around Amari and do the thing and start work again. Because when I'm dead, the dash you understand? Enough of the people them know I laugh and I chat them. They was happy to see you go down. I tell them. Enough of them is happy to see you go down. And a lot of entertainers right now in Jamaica are suffer because of people gang them and done them money. You understand? And a Gully Bop alone broke as an entertainer in Jamaica. But, you understand? I just choose some man not ready to speak out yet. We don't need so many man back on man. You understand? Jamaica entertainer for Lego man and behind them. You understand? And Mr. Mayor this talk. You understand? Me I talk it out. You understand? Amari, one love. You understand? Thank you for helping Gully Bop and thank Auntie Dana. You understand? Mr. Mayor is out. You understand? Subscribe and share. No joke thing. We don't need too much. We don't want too much man behind on man. Lego some man from back on the entertainer in Jamaica.